Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I want to say a big thank you to you on clicking on this video today. I make video on hair and as well on makeup, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel if you love what you see. And today's video is going to be my first collaboration, and I'm going to be collaborating with Omonicurls. I'm going to be leaving her links here down below, our channel, and somewhere here or here. We're doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. This is going to be hilarious. I don't even think I'm able to do my eyebrow in 5 minutes, talk less of doing my whole face in 5 minutes. But we're going to see today how far I'm going to come in applying all my makeup in 5 minutes. So I'm going to be using my phone right here to time myself. So I'm going to set it in 5 minutes. I have all my product that I'm going to use today on table. I've already put everything out, so it's going to be fast for me, because if I were to not do that, it's going to take forever. So I have it in 5 minutes. If you guys can see, can you see? So I have it in 5 minutes, and I'm going to press it right. Went off. 1 second. 1 minute. Clock and timer. So we're going to press the start button. Press start. Go. And start right now. So I'm going to take my foundation today. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to put 2 dots on here, and I'm going to just apply that all on my face. I'm starting with my foundation first because that is the fastest one I think of. My eyebrow will be the longest, so I'm using the beauty blender because it's going to be way easier. Oh my gosh, I'm brushing. I only have 5 minutes to finish this off, so I'm done with my foundation. So I'm going to go in with my powder. Just going to set that right away. Brush. I'm going to set that with my powder. My, what is it called? Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. This is currently my favorite powder that I recently bought. So then I'm going to go in with an highlighter. I'm going in with the same Maybelline Fit Me highlighter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. Let's see how many minutes left. Ooh, almost. Oh yeah, I'm going to use just blend it out. Nothing. Blend. Blend. So highlighter done, and I'm just going to set that with the same powder that I use for my face. So let's set it. I'm going to set that with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder because I really love this powder. I like the way it looks. I'm going to set that. Guys, let me know if you like this tutorial or this challenge. If you guys want me to do more challenges on my YouTube video. So I'm going to do my eyebrows. It's not going to be perfect, but I'm going to try. I only have 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You're going to hear the bell rings, the alarm, to let you know that it's 5 minutes. So I'm going to go in with my brush. Ooh. 5 minutes. Oh, if I can achieve this matter in 5 minutes, maybe in the morning before I go to work, because I usually go to work with no makeup on because there's absolutely no time. So I'm going to go in with the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Going to blend my eye. Yeah. I'm going to go in with the brush and blend it out. Blend, 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 blend. Just blending that out. So I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow. Then blend that out. I'm going to do something very simple. It's 5 minutes over. Let me check how many minutes left. 27 seconds. I have 27 seconds left. 22. Okay, I'm going to use this one. And I'm just going to put it right here. In 8 seconds. 8. I don't know. All done. All done. I look crazy. Right? All done. Oh, I still have 18 seconds left. No, all done. It was done. This is what I was able to achieve in like 5 minutes. Doesn't look bad. What do you guys think? In 5 minutes? Highlighter, contour, and eyebrow, eyeshadow. I like it. Very simple. But no lashes, but it's alright. So I was able to achieve this look in 5 minutes. You guys let me know. Do you like it? Did I did well, or I was too fast? I think the reason I was able to get this far is because I have most of my product put out in front of me already, so it was just grab and put. It was easier. Some of the product I forgot to put out, but it's alright. I was still able to achieve this look. So this is all about this tutorial today. It's not a tutorial, it's about this challenge. Please go check her channel, support her, subscribe. She has amazing content on her channel and good qualities. Please go check it out. Her name is Omonicurls. I'm going to leave a link here or anywhere in this box right here, or I'm also going to leave her link down below. I hope you guys love this challenge, you like it, and if you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know how I did, if you like it, if I did well, if I was alright, or if you didn't like this challenge. Let me know. I hope to see you guys on my next video, and check out her channel. So that's all about it, guys. Bye.